coronavirus is in Missouri, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm eating for dinner, and like, it's really good. So I'm making cauliflower wings, which are basically just cauliflower covered in hot sauce. So I already cut up all the cauliflower florets and I washed them. So I didn't feel like showing you guys because like, I literally just cut them up. But now I'm going to head downstairs and I'm going to put the cauliflower in a pot of water and steam it or boil it until it becomes softer. And then I'm gonna take the cauliflower out of the boiling water, and then I'm gonna put it on a pan, cook it for a few minutes, and then sauce it up, and then put it back in the oven. And yeah, hopefully I'll get it done before my mom gets home so we can eat dinner. A few more minutes just because we want it to be a little soft. We don't want it to taste like cauliflower. We just want it to taste like hot sauce, basically. I got all the stuff out, the bowl to mix it in, and like you can literally see like it's boiling now, so I guess it's done. So I'm going to show you guys how I make pizza dough. So it's this recipe, but yeah, it's 100% vegan, and yeah, we're having pizzas tonight. The whole family is, so I have to make 4 batches because we need big pizzas because we're fat. So let's get started. Huh? But this is the first batch, but this is how it looks afterwards. But I'm gonna take it out and then put it in the fridge and then start on the second batch. So the first thing you need is water. Can I get quiet on the set, please? Thanks. Okay, so the first thing you need is water. Since I'm doubling the batch, I'm gonna need a cup of water. So. Okay. So the next thing you need is bread flour. You can use any type of flour. I feel like it works the same, so I'm gonna be just using regular flour. So now we're gonna put a cup and a half of bread flour, but I'm doubling it, so I'm gonna do 3 cups. Half a cup to measure it, so that's why I did 6. The next thing we need is salt, half a teaspoon. I'm doubling it, so teaspoon. Next thing is yeast, just this. You are going to need 1 1/4 teaspoons. But I'm doing 2 1/2. So now, sugar. So you will need 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, double that, half a teaspoon. Found it. So now for the dough, last ingredient, vegetable oil. I feel like you can use any type of oil. This is just what the recipe calls for, so that's what I'm using. You're going to need 1 tablespoon, 2 if you're doubling it. Okay, so that's all the ingredients to make the dough, and now we're gonna start the bread machine. So it's gonna take probably an hour and 20 minutes, so I will catch back up to you whenever it's done, and then I'm gonna put the dough that's mixing right now with the other dough that I just made, and then it'll probably be time to make the pizza, so I'll see you then. Okay, so the second batch of pizza dough is now done. So I'm gonna make my pizza first because I can't. So yeah, we're gonna take this one out and then split it in half, and then I'm gonna roll out my dough. So yeah. My pizza's looking pretty sexy, not gonna lie. But it looks good. It looks really good. Really good. I just ate my pizza. It was really good, but I am so full. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but it was 100% vegan with the... I forgot to tell you guys the casting I did last week. I got the show. But yeah, I got the show, so this was just kind of main clips from this week that I filmed just because it was such a weird week, but I'm hoping you guys are all safe and healthy. But I just got news that my school is actually canceled until April 6th, so thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Instagram and subscribe and like if you are new or you enjoyed the video. But yeah, thank you guys. I will see you guys next week. Peace. I'm a simple man, don't want a complication.